Okay, so let's go with Byzantine, the lively paintings from which had been invented in the Greek and Rome live on Byzantium, but this time the Christian subjects. By 11th century, the Greek and Oriental style seems to blend within magnificent, imposing images which adorn the churches in large and small forms. Next. So, Romanesque paintings. This style first evolved in the first third of the 12th century. It is a complete realization of religious and social functions. These are largely placed in mosaic and walls and churches that follow strict frontal pose. Three main functions of the Romanesque paintings are entertaining, moralizing, and educational. Let's go. So next is Gothic paintings. Sinabi natin Gothic paintings originated in northern France. Basic characteristic of Gothic art styles reinforce symbolic meanings. The church symbolizes the transcendence of the soul and the underlying philosophy to create buildings, height, and light. Next is the famous painting from the Byzantine, Romanesque, and Gothic era, the Shepherd and David. So the painting shows some realistic details of naive naturalism. So ito yung story of David. Yeah, yeah. Next, the Lady and the Unicorn tapestry. So subjects usually depict popular legends and love stories. Patterns from like Milfior or Thousand Flower shows influence which may have been due to the Crusades. Christ in Majesty. These are large mosaic church walls from the strict frontal pose. A remarkable variety of artistic tradition modeling the treatment faces, draperies, followed Byzantine convention, while the refreshing decorative feeling comes from the southern fresh styles. Then it also shows traces of Mozarabic influence, Arabized influence through elongated oval faces. So, tingnan yung mga mukha nila. Then, large staring eyes and long noses, figures against flat color bands and heavy outlining. Usually, ito yung mga itsura nila sa Byzantine. In this painting, Christ wears a white robe with a blue mantle underneath the mandorla, Italian word for almond used to describe enclosures surrounding the holy figures in the painting. A black band with a white writing each side of the center window, three arches, resting in column capitals in green, black, and between the figures of Virgin Mary. Yan. Five saints, column vertical, wavy patterns. Yan. And this mural painting has been moved to Barcelona, replaced by a replica. Mahirap nga naman eh. Usually kasi mga nanakaon mga simbahan. Kasi lagi lang nakabukas. Pero yung magamit kasi ng simbahan, usually mga mamahaling painting, mamahaling mga artifacts, like it is in gold. Minsan kaya, madalas niya nakawan talaga ng simbahan. Okay, let's go. Thank you, thank you.